Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a very tasty and flavorful recipe for tofu or pepper tofu with lo mein. So if you guys would like to see how I make this, keep watching.
So let's get straight into the recipe. I'm going to go ahead and fry my tofu pieces, which I try to squeeze the majority of the water out, cut it up into small blocks, fry it on a medium heat until it's light golden brown, after which you'll take it out and drain it on some paper towels.
So guys, we're going to start with a heavy bottom pan on a medium heat, and to that I'm going to go in with some sesame oil. To the oil I'm going to go in with some ginger, and with the ginger I'm going in with some garlic, and I always like adding the ginger and the garlic before the oil actually starts to heat through, and that way we can release all the flavors from the ginger and the garlic without it burning. To that I'm going to go in with half of a hot pepper. You can omit it if you wanted to. And I'm also going in with 2 pimento peppers. Just want to wake that up a little bit. You notice my garlic isn't burning. Make sure your garlic does not burn, because then it's going to taste really bad. So after about a minute we're going to go in with some ketchup and some vegetarian stir-fry sauce. In goes some soy sauce, and I'm using a dark soy sauce, and some Chinese seasoning. The JGM brand is the one I'm using today, and we're gonna mix that. Now I'm gonna add in some sliced bell peppers and some sliced onion. I'm just gonna season the peppers and the onion with a little bit of salt and give that a mix. Now I like my vegetables with a crunch, so you would want to cook your vegetables according to how you like it. So this would just take about a minute, and then we'll finish up with the rest of ingredients. Now I'm going to go in with my cooked lo mein or noodles, and our fried tofu goes in. Now I'm going to season again with a little bit of that JGM seasoning, and then we're going to mix to combine. Okay guys, I just tasted this with salt, and it has the perfect amount of salt. Now this is finished. All I have to do now is dish this out and serve it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.